What's up, guys? CJ Hobgood. Hey, I want to take this moment to talk to you about our journey back to the beach. We got renovation, switching brokerages, kids going to new schools, downsizing, all that fun. So we're in Melbourne Beach. We are in a little townhouse. We went from 4,000 square feet to 3,000 square feet. Now we're in 1,500 square feet. We redid it. We blew the budget out, as you do. And that all happened last year on our way back here. And in the meantime, we were looking for a new brokerage, a new home. Also here, our kids were going to new schools. 2 of our kids went to college, UNF Ospreys and FAU Owls. Is that what you're supposed to do? But yeah, so the renovation we started in probably late May, early June, finished in November, went pretty hard. And Bowie, our youngest, went to a new school, PIETAS Classical Christian. That's been great. It's like a homeschool, but it's like a co-op, all the stuff's online. So that's been a huge blessing. And that was a huge one for like any parent, obviously. You're gonna worry about your kids going to school. I was worrying about like, is this place gonna feel too small? Like for me, it was gonna be okay because in my backyard right across the street is the beach and Atlantic Ocean. So me and Bear, my dog, he's now a beach dog, we get to walk on the beach, watch the sunrise, and then just a block the other way we get to watch the sunset at the Indian River Lagoon. So that's been awesome for us. And also what's been rad is the Ogalla Yacht Club. We've really settled in there, and that's sort of helped, you know, the sacrifices. You're gonna go in a smaller house, like, you know, so, but we love to travel. We knew we always were like, all right, we'll have a small place, but we'll travel. Then we were also thinking about like, maybe we'll get a single family home, but we kind of like this place. So now we're thinking about maybe we should just get another townhouse, and then our kids will come see us, because right now it's kind of small. So the older girls don't want to come see us as much because they don't have their own rooms. I know. But yeah, so that's our story. And I just want to catch you up on all those things that involved us moving back here to the beach, and we love it. And yeah, thanks for listening, and I'm sure your journey is probably pretty similar. Looking for a home on the ocean? I'll help you find the perfect fit.